Welcome to this video. Previous the tutor. I have a question under trigonometry which says find QR given a triangle PQR where angle QPR is 52 degrees and angle QRP, this one there, is 67 degrees, and we have side PQ which is 7 meters. So how do we find QR? Now there are only two ways in which we can find this QR. It's either we use the cosine law or the sine law, but which one are we going to use? Now, based on what we've been given two angles. Since two angles have been given, we cannot use the cosine law, as the cosine law only considers one angle. So we are going to use the sine rule because we are dealing with two angles and one side. So join me as I explain everything that you need to know. So this side QR, which is opposite to angle P, that will be our side P. Okay, then the side which is opposite to angle R, which is this side here, this will be our side R. And this side here, which is opposite to angle Q, it will be our Q. Okay, so now because we are looking for side QR, which is just P in this case, we use the sine rule. So we are going to say this sine, so we say sine P over side P. This should be equal to, this angle should have a corresponding side in order for the sine rule to work out. All right, so we have sine R over side R. Okay, the only thing remaining here is for us to plug in what is there. We have sine P is sine 52 degrees. Don't just write sine 52, put a degree sign there. Then we have side P, which we are looking for, is equal to sine 67 degrees. We divide by 7. So now we cross multiply. If we cross multiply, you discover that P sine 67 degrees is just equal to 7 multiplied by sine 52 degrees. It's making sense, isn't it? Now from here, we divide by sine 67 degrees. Both sides, even there, sine 67 degrees. So we can now eliminate this side, and we remain what? P. So just get your calculator. So you can punch sine 52, then punch times 7, then divide by sine 67. So I'm getting, so we are going to leave this to one decimal place, like I said, to one decimal place. So it's giving me 5.99, but we said we leave it one decimal place, so this will be 6.0 because we can easily round off, fine, and like that. So this will be 6. Therefore, we can now conclude and say, since P was QR, we can say QR is therefore equal to 6.0 meters, and you are done. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok and Facebook. You can also enroll for your online classes at a very affordable price. I'll see you in another video.